Alright guys, hello. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload your emails, any kind of emails that you design on Klaviyo the right way. So what we have in front of us is this wonderful and beautiful email we've made together in the past video, and what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you how to upload it. So first things first, the first thing you're going to do is slicing everything. And when I say everything, is everything when it comes to the email. Don't try to understand why, I just do it. So you're gonna press on S, and then first thing we're going to slice is the logo. Second thing we're going to slice, make sure everything is 600, so it's perfectly aligned. Second thing we're going to slice is the shop now section. You're gonna slice it up in different sections, right? So now we have 1, 2, and now guess what? It's gonna be this one. So we're gonna slice that section too. And all of these different sections are going to send your customers to different places because they're going to be tied to different links. So the shop now, for example, is going to send them to the overall collection. The title is going to send them to the website and stuff. Send them to Walmart if you want to. And so yeah, slice everything up and it should look like something like this. Wonderful. And now once everything is sliced up, you're going to, oh, I forgot to tell you guys that I just started this YouTube stuff, so please leave a like and subscribe. Forgot to tell you guys that. But yeah, once everything is sliced up, you select every single one of them. So yeah, you press on slice 14, press on shift, press this, and now you can export all the layers. All right, so as you can see, we have all our slices in that folder. Before putting it in Klaviyo, you're going to compress every single one of the images just to make sure that when it's loading up, when the email finally lands on your customer's inbox, once they click on it, it doesn't take an eternity to load up and it doesn't hurt conversion. So make sure that you compress every single images that you have. By the way guys, if you are an agency looking for someone who can deliver quick and efficient work, here are my information. And if you are a brand looking to make over 30% of revenue just off emails in less than 60 days, you are at the right place. These are my informations. And as you can see here, 40% of revenue in one single month. This was their first month working with us, so this is something that you could expect working with us, so feel free to jump on my informations. But back on the main subject, once you downloaded everything, compressed everything, what you have to do now is go on your Klaviyo. So I'm gonna go on my welcome flow, since I know it's an email reminder, the email we made together in the past video. So I'm gonna go all the way down. It's the 4th email. I'm gonna press on this, and then you're going to press on select template. I'm gonna press on create. All right, so this you delete. Now we all know that it's an image-based email, so I'm just gonna drop that here. And now what I'm going to do is just duplicate it 1,000 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1,000 times. And now what I'm going to do is putting every single image from the slices in order. Let's start with the logo. So I'm going to press on this, bring it something like that, logo, drag it, and you drop it. There you go. Let's move it up. There you go. And you're going to do the same thing in order, like a puzzle basically. It already looks quite good, but let's keep going. So next thing is that part. There you go. All right, now we need to focus on the footer. So I'm gonna delete the extra ones that I've made. And what I'm going to insert now is a split. So it's gonna be one image to the left side. So I'm gonna press on image and go to the right side and put image. And now I'm going to duplicate it. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. If you remember, there was build here, ingredients, FAQ, and recipes. So same thing with that. But first, before putting the images, what I'm going to do is press 0 on the padding and press 0 on the spacing. Same thing here. Okay, 0, 0. All right, so now that this part is done, now that the footer is done, you can put the social links. So I'm just gonna drag and drop social links. You put everything that you need here. And yeah, guys, this is pretty much how you do it. This is how you put your emails on Klaviyo, but we're not done yet. For every single images, you're going to put the link of where you want them to land, and also always put a alt text, always. And the alt text is simply said, if someone click on their email and somehow, which never happens, rarely happens, the image don't load, it's just going to be like a blank image with writing on it, and the writing in front of their face is going to be the alt text. And also it helps when it comes to the spams and deliverability. So here, when it comes to the logo section, what I'm going to write is day out, shop the perfect protein snacks. And basically you're going to do the same thing with every single section. There's going to be different explanations and alt text for every single one, obviously. But now let's check out how it looks for mobile. Oh, look at this, it's fine. You're gonna go on styles. We want them to be right next to each other, right? So we're gonna put no stacking for this one. I'm gonna press on that, go back on styles and put no stacking. And guys, this is the email. This is how you upload an Figma email on Klaviyo. Thank you guys. Leave a like, it's really gonna help me a lot, and please subscribe. Take care, guys.